Good morning, everyone. Happy Wednesday. So today is going to be a very interesting day. So I took Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday off of work, and that was well needed. I needed my vacation, or whatever. So Tristan, he is gone for the week. So he left for all of this week and he went to work. So what's going to be happening? And but what's going to be happening is I'm going over to him today, tomorrow, and coming back Friday, because that's when he's coming back. So I'm going over there. The puppies are not here, so it was my first time sleeping or even being in this RV without the puppies or Tristan. So it was just me in the dark by myself. So it was very different. Definitely made me appreciate the puppies and, you know, Tristan, whatever. So the puppies, they're at my mom's. My sister's watching them for me, which is so nice. I'm so happy. And yeah, so I'm about to clean up a little bit. It didn't get any messy. I cleaned up the other day. Yesterday I came back from my nail appointment very late, so I didn't get to wash these little dishes here that I dirtied the day before yesterday for dinner. I made chicken tenders, so I gotta clean that up. I gotta make the bed, and then I gotta pack, and then I'll be good to go to head out. It's about it's about a 2-hour drive, so it's not too long. I drive and I would work every day, so it's pretty much driving to work and back makes this trip, so it's super exciting. Yeah, so you guys get to come along with me in this journey. Right now, I wanted to go to the lake to just kind of swim in there, kind of be in a lake, but it's kind of a lot of work right now that I don't want to do. So I've been up all morning just watching Netflix, watching Girlfriends. I finished Friday Dixie yesterday or the day before yesterday, and I just didn't know what to watch, so I started watching Girlfriends. And my sisters and I, we used to watch them. We used to watch the show when it used to be on TV, but I was really young, obviously, so I don't remember the concept of the show, but I started watching it again, and obviously now that I'm a lot older, I understand the jokes and whatnot, so I understand the jokes and whatnot, so it's okay, it's a pretty good show. It's alright, I've been watching, I'm on season 1, episode 12 already, and I just started watching it, so yeah, so I'm rambling. What I'm gonna do now is I am going to take a shower in the outside shower. I'm gonna be taking a shower on the outside shower. I was waiting for the sun to come out, but it looks like it's gonna be a pretty cloudy day, so I haven't even been outside yet. So. I don't even know what I'm gonna do. Let's go. I never showed you guys my nails. So these are my nails. They are so pretty. So I got something for fall. So I guess for autumn. So I got this color, and then she puts in like fall decor and whatnot, and leaves, and this is it. I love it. It's so cute. Oh, my ring is inside, by the way. I didn't want to come out with it because... Okay, so... I was going to use the outside shower, but, I mean, to be honest, it kind of sucks as far as, like, it's not a lot of water. Okay, I'll do it like this. It's not a lot of water. Comes out at once. Like, it's a good amount of water, but it's not like psh in my face, you know what I mean? So I decided I'm gonna go ahead and use the hose. So I have this really ratchet setup right now, where I have the hose attached to the it's cold attached to the canopy, and then water being sprayed off over there. So then I set up an outside shower. So I'm gonna also wash my hair because I need some washing. It's just a little oily, so I must wash it. So there's my shower. I'm gonna go in there. I'm gonna shower. And yeah, shower. 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 Guys, my teeth, I don't know if you guys noticed, well, I'm sure you guys noticed before, like a freaking semi-truck, multiple semi-trucks could have went inside of these gaps I had here. I had two teeth removed. And so they closed up. You guys noticed? They closed. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. This is the most. This feels so good. Like, wow.
It's a lonely road for a tired man. You can see it in your face. You'll be home in spring. I can wait till then.
Hey guys, so
I heard
I am packed and ready to go. I am just making sure everything is set up.
This loneliness won't last for long.
And we can.
I wasn't there to take its place. I was 10,000 miles away. So when you hear my voice, and when you say my name, you never give me pain. 'Cause I don't wanna go, but it's time to leave. You're beyond my mind, my destiny. And I won't fight in vain. I love you just the same. Ooh, I couldn't know what's in your mind, but I saw the pictures, you're looking fine. And there was a time